So I decided to spend today, which is St. Patrick's Day, over here in Columbus, Georgia. And Krispy Kreme Doughnut has a special going on today. And you should see the line inside. They have a beautiful St. Patrick's Day green glazed donut. And we're going to go in right now and try one out.
No, not yet.
If you notice, there's green donuts coming out on the conveyor. Wow. I think the entire dough is green. Look at that. Wow. And they're about to fry them. And we're going to watch as they come out and fry them. Wow.
I'm not sure how they go through.
They come out and they push them out on the conveyor right over there. Right over there. And it pushes them out in the grease. And they go all the way down the conveyor belt and they come out and they fry them. Then they put the glaze over them. Well, I was thinking the glaze was green, but I'm not really sure.
Maybe they turn off the fan.
Oh, wait, Asher, I think they're coming up.
Mm-hmm.
Coming up. No, they aren't going out.
They're about to come out in the fryer and they're going to go all the way down the line there. Yes, they're about to come out. Right there, they're about to come out. Here they come. The green donuts, everyone, for St. Patrick's Day. Oh, how cute. They are green.
Oh, I see how they get formed.
They are very green. Awesome. That little device flips them
Put dough
over.
in and wait for everything to come out the other side. Yeah. And then donuts just escape from the oven.
Mm-hmm.
Right here's where they flip. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Fries them.
How cute. Yum, yum, yum.
Or someone too big like that one that's hanging off. Is that one? Is that one that's on top?
Green glazed donuts right here at Krispy Kreme in Columbus, Georgia. I think they'll still be green. They'll just have green with icing on top.
No, he needs some to go through the fountain.
There they go. And there they are iced.
Yeah, it's just like...
And as soon as they get iced, they put them in the box there.
What is that thing for then?
What?
That big box. What do they go there?
I don't know.
Is it like a... to keep them warm?
And they take them and they deliver them to the folks that ordered them.
Look at that. Watch that. It's so satisfying watching them being iced.
And then they get all the way through.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
That's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. With those.
The green donuts are served all day on March 17th. You can pick a dozen for St. Patrick's Day. Get you a lucky donut, which has a unicorn, a leprechaun hat, unicorn sprinkles, or regular sprinkles on the top. And of course they have minis. You can raise money with Krispy Kreme donuts. If you notice, there's two lone green donuts going somewhere on the conveyor. They look delicious. Look at all that green. This is the luck of the donut event right here at Krispy Kreme. They even have chocolate iced green donuts. Those are neat. Those chocolate iced green donuts look beautiful. But I think the regular will be delicious also. Then there's the leprechaun hats. They have the Oreo cream filling in the center. They call these the unicorn. They have the original cream dollop in the center. Really unusual. They have the Lucky Sprinkles with shamrocks, glazed donuts. They also have the gold coins, but I don't see that they have any of those out today. We'll look though. You can get a customizable box that says happy birthday. Those are Luck of the Doughnuts. I can't wait to try this green donut out. I don't think I've ever had a green donut before.
6 cream, thank you, ma'am.
We'll try it out.
Yes, ma'am. Please. Thank you.
And take a look at all these boxes lined up along here. These are all these lucky green boxes. They also have merchandise. You can get you a Krispy Kreme cup. These change colors with liquid. There's the Hot Now shirts. There's the Krispy Kreme hats. They even have the tumblers. They've got the bottles. Anything you might want if you're a Krispy Kreme fan. Okay, we're about to try one of these beautiful donuts. I just got my fresh hot donut right off the conveyor belt over there, and I'm about to dig into it to tell you how it tastes. Delicious. It tastes exactly like a Glazed, but a little better. Because you have that fun green in it. It's light, it's airy, it's warm. It has that glaze on it just perfectly. I love it. It has a fun color to it. Very delicious. Noticing the texture of this beautiful donut. It's a really bright green. And I've never had a bright green donut like that before, but it's really, really unique. It's really fun. It tastes just like a Glazed. But a little bit better than a Glazed because it's got that airy lightness to it. It's so good. I enjoy it. Right here at Krispy Kreme Donuts in Columbus, Georgia. Incredibly delicious. I love the green. So good. What a very delicious green donut Krispy Kreme has today. Very, very good. The flavor's great. The airiness is great. It's fun. It's green. Very good. All day on March 17th, St. Patrick's Day. I love it. I've noticed they're making more green donuts. And really, this is something to see because anytime you come into Krispy Kreme, you usually see them making glazed donuts. But they're all green. Lucky green is what they call them. And over here, they have the little smaller ones that are almost ready to bake. They just put those over there in. How cute. I love the green donuts. They're amazing. And over here, you can see some of them come out. And they're getting iced. How cute. Cute, cute. I love the green. Lucky, lucky green. Getting iced right there. Beautiful. And they're coming out on the other side. And if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I love that green. There they go. Wonderfully delicious. And most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm seeing everything in green. Thank you so much for watching. That is so awesome.